Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can add more friends on Township, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game created by Playrix, which is very reminiscent of the old Farmville game from Facebook from the late 2000s, early 2010s. And yeah, in this tutorial, I'll be going over how you can add more friends, since there is a friends mechanic just like there was in Farmville all that time ago. And it is a community game, and of course all of these community games are more fun once you play with friends, and friends can also give you any bonuses in-game which you can collect by getting more friends. And the way that you add your friends is the following. I am using the Playrix support article for this, since it is more practical for me, since my recording software is a bit problematic for my mobile phone. I can't really screen share that well, so you'll have to bear with me, but this article is absolutely perfect for the purposes of this tutorial, so let's get right into it without beating around the bush any further. Now, there are two ways that you can, or there is a number of ways you can add more friends. You can select the friends icon at the bottom left hand corner, and then you can choose invite friends. Once you do, you can send them a invite link through any means which is available, and that will give you a unique invitation code which you can share with your friends via Facebook or email, or use other players' invitation codes and add them as friends like that. You can also select the friends icon again and open the Find Friends tab. You can to send a random information, or to send an invitation to a random player, and that is the second way that you can add. Township players can also be added through Facebook to see them as your in-game friends, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.